Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Aishani Yadav, and if you're new to this channel, please make sure to subscribe my channel. Today the video that I'm shooting, I'm shit scared. आज मेरे को सच में बहुत डर लग रहा है ये वीडियो शूट करने में. एंड ऑब्वियसली आपने तो टाइटल पढ़ा ही होगा. ऑब्वियसली मैं तब से ब्रीद इन ब्रीद आउट करी हूँ बिकॉज आई हैव नो आइडिया हाउ दिस वीडियो इज़ गोना गो. एंड क्या होने वाला है, पास है फेल है, आई हैव नो आइडिया. बट आई एम एक्साइटेड ऑल्सो कि क्या रिएक्शन मुझे मिलेगा सबका. सो लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड. सो बेसिकली व्हाट आई एम गोना डू इज़ आई एम गोना कॉल अप माई फ्रेंड्स एंड उनके साथ मैं प्रैंक करूँगी. एंड लेट्स सी हाउ द प्रैंक गोज़. सो द फर्स्ट कॉलर शिट, मुझे बहुत डर लग रहा है. आई जस्ट डोंट नो हाउ आई कंट्रोल माई हंसी बिकॉज आई एम वेरी बैड एट दिस. जब भी कोई एकदम अजीब मोमेंट होता है, एंड अप लाफिंग लाइक एनी थिंग. एंड अभी मैं कैसे कंट्रोल करूँगी, आई हैव नो आइडिया. बट I want this to be a successful prank, so let's do it, Aishani. Okay, so the first person that I'm calling is Drisha Kalyani. मुझे बहुत मार पड़ने वाली है इस पर. Okay, I'm ready for this. Are you ready? Comment if you are. Okay. Oh damn. So now I'm calling Devish Ahuja. I hope he picks up the call, and I think कि वो उठा लेगा. Let's see. I hope.
तुमच्याद्वारे कॉल केला.
So now I'm going to be calling Rakshit Wahi, and I hope वो कॉल उठाए मेरा, प्लीज़. उठा ले.
हेलो.
हेलो.
हाँ कौन?
Hi, this is Mansi from Balaji Productions. Am I speaking to Rakshit Wahi?
Yes.
Rakshit, are you free? Can we have a talk for a few minutes?
Yes.
Yeah, cool. Hi, actually I've called you regarding one music album.
Regarding what?
Hello?
Hello.
Yeah, I'm
Yes.
calling you regarding a music album.
Music album, okay.
Yeah, so actually आपको पता होगा बालाजी का अभी तक कोई म्यूज़िक वीडियो आया नहीं है. So this is the very first music video that we are launching.
Okay.
Yeah, so as you know, the corona thing is happening all around. So it's basically based on that, like life before, how the corona, how the life was there before corona and how it is after. So it's basically based on that, and we want you in that. So would you be like comfortable?
Yes.
Cool. So I'll tell you, like I'll give you all the details, but I want one favor from you.
Okay.
Can you come tomorrow in our office?
Where?
Balaji office. I'll WhatsApp you the details, like the address and everything.
Okay.
So would you be comfortable in coming to our office tomorrow?
But I stay in Thane, so it would be too long.
Oh, But
Oh,
actually, the thing is that Ekta Kapoor herself and the singer that is Vishal Mishra and Neeti
hmm,
Mohan, even those people are coming tomorrow.
okay.
So,
Okay, okay, okay. So I'll come.
you will come, great.
Okay.
But there's one more like
And
request. Once you come, you'll have to have a bath.
okay, okay, sure. Okay,
Like before you enter our like office premises, you'll have to take a shower and like do like there's this thing that we are gonna have for everybody. So puja karke, then you can like we can have you inside. So you'll be good with that, right?
yes, yes.
Cool, Rakshit.
So
Thank you so much.
tomorrow we just have to meet now, no shoot.
No shoot. Just meet like just we just want you to meet like everybody and like come to know everybody. That's it.
Okay, okay.
Hi Rakshit.
Well,
You've been pranked. You're there on my YouTube channel.
ऐसा नहीं.
Yes. I pass.
Arami.
You're there on my YouTube channel.
Okay.
Yeah. So कैसा लग रहा है आपको प्रैंक होके? Oh God.
Arami. फोन तोड़ देगा तेरा वापस.
My heart is doing so धक धक फटाफट shit man. मैं इतनी फट रही थी करने में. Hopefully. Oh my God. But I pass.
बकरा.
Bakra bana. Thank you. You've been pranked. I'll call you later. मेरे YouTube ऑडियंस को क्या बोलेगा तू? मेरे YouTube ऑडियंस को कुछ बोलना चाहते हो?
ऐसे कॉल से बच के रहो. ऐसे स्पेशली ऑल बालाजी वालों प्लीज.
Shut up.
बालाजी से भरोसा उड़ गया.
Oh God. Nice. चलो. I'll call you. चल bye.
Bye.
I'm so happy I've pranked him and he was shit but मेरा हार्ट इतना फटाफट धक धक हो रहा है. Shit मैंने क्या कंट्रोल किया है मेरा लाफ्टर मैं जानती हूँ. So काफ़ी मज़ा आया when I called Rakshit. So now the next person that I'm calling is Bhavesh Balchandani. So he is one of the very like वो बहुत prank करता रहता है सबको हमेशा. तो I don't know how it's gonna go and I hope कि मैं पकड़ी ना जाऊँ because वो pranks उस पे होते हैं तो वो बहुत जल्दी पकड़ लेता है सबको. Let's call him. बस उठाए. Hello. Hello. Hi, this is Bhavesh Balchandani.
Yes, who is this?
Hi, I'm Sakshi from Yashraj. Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Is this Bhavesh Balchandani?
Yes, who is this?
Yes, I'm Sakshi from Yashraj.
Okay.
Yeah, hi. Like, are you free? Can we have a talk for a few minutes?
Yeah, tell me.
Yeah, cool. So actually, I've called you regarding a music video.
Okay.
So would you be interested in doing a music video for Yashraj?
I don't mind.
Cool. So actually, this like the theme I'll discuss. I want to discuss a theme with you. So the singer is basically Neha Kakkar and Arman Malik.
Okay.
Yeah, and like आपने वो song सुना होगा तड़प तड़प के इस दिल से आँख निकलती रही.
Yes, yes, yes.
So yeah, so it's kind of that song. I obviously मतलब मैं आपको पूरी details अभी तो नहीं बता पाऊँगी song की, but हाँ, but this like the corona thing that's going on. So basically that song is based on that.
All right.
Yeah, and like obviously we're gonna be shooting this music video after the lockdown ends, and but there's this little favor that I want from you. You'll have to come to Yashraj tomorrow.
Tomorrow?
Yeah.
How is that possible? Because हर जगह lockdown रहेगा.
Yeah, right. But actually, like Neha Kakkar, Arman Malik, like everybody is coming tomorrow.
Okay, so what is?
So, no, tomorrow we are
why
not
in the
shoot-
video, like,
No, we are not shooting tomorrow, but it's just we want everybody to meet tomorrow and like just
yeah, that I also like. What role are you planning to give it to me?
So
That's what I'm asking.
like we are gonna feature you in this video. So it's basically like we have seen your Instagram. It's like it's just how you entertain people and everything. So
Okay.
it's basically based like Corona mein how like what a person goes through. It's basically thoda comedy, thoda entertaining. It's a mixture of everything basically. When you hear the song, you'll come to know exactly.
Okay, and who else are there?
No, you are alone with Neha Kakkar. Like Neha Kakkar is gonna be singing as well as she's gonna feature with you.
Okay, so no other actor.
No.
Okay, alright, I'll have a conversation with my mom and I'll come back to you.
Yeah, but just let her know that we'll mostly be shooting this in China.
Alright, I'll have a conversation.
Hi Bhavesh.
Who is this?
You've been pranked.
Hi?
I'm Aishani, you've been pranked. You're there on my YouTube channel.
Oh, great. Who is this, by the way?
Aishani,
Oh, Yadav.
how do you feel?
I'd be crazy, bro. Yeah, Kakka, nice voice.
the prankster have been pranked. How do you feel, Bhavesh?
I feel great. Thanks.
Oh God. You want to say something?
Good night, bro.
Oh God. Shit, I was so scared. I was so
I'll pay back soon.
You gotta pay.
I'll pay it back to you.
I was shit scared. मुझे लगा मैं पकड़ी जाऊंगी, तू पकड़ लेगा, but I won.
Arey, the thing is, na, I don't fuck up with my acting career. Like, अगर कुछ और तू करती ना prank तो अगर
Oh yeah, but 100 बात के एक बार मैं जीत गई, so yeah. चल.
stay happy, bro.
Stay home, stay safe, guys. Bye.
And I'm going to pay you back soon. Don't worry.
Let's see.
Good night, Yadav.
Bye. Wow! So successful I was. 2 pranks, one on Rakshit, one on Bhavesh, and I was, I'm so happy. Now next caller, let's see what happens. So now the next person that I'm calling is Arishfa Khan, and let's just call her and let's see what happens. मेरा हार्ट है ना इतना फास्ट अभी धक धक हो रहा है. I swear. I wish you could hear this because I'm like shit scared while shooting all these things. Okay, let's go for it. उठाए बस वो कॉल.
आपण डायल केलेला नंबर सध्या व्यस्त आहे. कृपया थोड्या वेळानंतर पुन्हा प्रयत्न करा. आपके द्वारा डायल किया.
She is busy, but I'll call her once again. I hope वो उठाए वापस कॉल. Yeah, I think वो वापस कॉल करेगी, so much better.
Amazing.
So now I'm gonna be calling Suyash Bhaiya, and it's been like really very long time since we have spoken. और हम मिले भी बहुत टाइम से हम मिले भी नहीं हैं. So I don't know how it's gonna go, but I don't know. So I hope कि I pass and मुझे डांट ना पड़े because हो सकता है कि मुझे इस बार ही डांट पड़ जाए, पर मज़ा आएगा. So let's call him and I hope वो उठाए because यार Hello.
Yes.
Am I speaking to Drisha Kalyani?
Yeah.
Hi, Drisha. This is Preeti from Dharma Productions.
Okay. Hi.
Hi. Are you free? Can we have a talk for a few minutes?
Sure. See. I'm sorry. Actually, I guess I've missed some calls with you.
Yeah, I've called you a lot of times actually.
Yeah. Actually, the phone was on silent. I'm so sorry. Yeah.
No problem. No problem. So yeah, I've called you regarding a music video. So would you be interested?
Surely I would be. But like, what it is regarding about?
Yeah, obviously I'll let you know. So the thing is, as you know, the corona thing is happening.
Yeah.
So it's basically based on that, and it's like a story of father and a daughter.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so like we are gonna be having you with the Anupam Kher as your father,
Okay.
and like the singers are gonna be Arjit Singh and Shreya Ghoshal.
Okay.
Yeah, so like we have seen you in Mere Sai and you were like fab in that. So it's
you so
gonna
much.
be, yeah, it's basically like, you know, it's of dharma, so it's gonna be like, you know, like a typical Bollywood kind of song, thoda
Yeah, I
filmy.
got it.
Yeah. So we have like one request. Could you come to our office tomorrow?
Tomorrow.
Yeah.
And but can you just speak to my dad
No,
for a
no,
minute?
no.
I mean, just
No, I would
get
like.
start.
No, I will surely speak to them, but like our protocol is like, you know, we all like firstly we speak to the actors and then like, you know, we discuss everything with their managers.
That's no problem. I'm fine. Even my dad would be, but I need to just talk to him and I mean ask him, right?
Yeah.
So, is it fine if I give you like a call in some 10-15 minutes?
Yeah, sure, but it's just one thing. Just I would like to let you know is that like so basically like everybody is coming tomorrow. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, like all like Anupam Kher and all the singers, everybody. We are not gonna be shooting tomorrow, but we just want you to come and like meet everybody. And there's one more thing that we want you to do is when you come, you'll have to take a shower and like do a puja, and then only you can enter the office premises.
No problem. Fine, fine. At what time? Sorry.
So sorry.
Hello.
Yeah.
What time you want me to come?
I'll let you know the timing.
Fine. I'll just ask my dad. Just ask doctor and let you know by in 10 minutes.
So
Right?
you will be coming tomorrow.
Most probably yes. Just give me 5 to 10 minutes. I'll confirm it and come. I would be yes, but just I have to ask them. Cause... Hello.
Hi Drisha, you're there on my YouTube channel.
Oh, okay. I'm so sorry. Am I getting pranked?
Yes, it's a prank. I'm Aishani. It's a prank. You've been pranked.
I knew because this voice I've heard like you know. lag raha tha, but then I
Oh
got pranked.
God. Oh my God. मेरे को लगा तू पकड़ लेगी यार मुझे.
अबे तुझे इतनी अच्छी भाषा कब से बोल रहे हैं?
How do you feel, Drisha?
I don't know, feel betrayed. Because call of Dharma Production, Anupam Kher, मेरा सपना.
Sapna Drisha के ये would you like to say something to my YouTube audience?
Hey guys, कैसे आप सब? I hate her so much. Don't subscribe her at all.
Oh,
Just
Mama.
kidding. She's
Oh, God.
lovely. You have to.
See, I'm so lovely, guys. But I'm
No,
happy.
you need to pay for this, okay? I'll be paid, okay, for this call.
Let's see. I'm happy that I pranked you. So Suyash Bhaiya called me. I'm gonna call him back, and I'm shit scared to call Suyash Bhaiya. I don't know why, but I'm like really scared to call him. I wanna pass this. I really wanna pass this prank.
Hello.
Hello, am I speaking to
Yes.
Suyash Rai?
Who's this?
Hi, this is Simran from T Series.
Hi.
Hi, are you free? can we have a talk for a few minutes?
हाँ जी.
Hi. Yeah, cool. So actually, we are having a music video, and we would want you to, feature in that.
Okay.
So,
Whose song is it?
yeah, that's what I called you for. Like we know, like you compose and you're a singer as well. So,
Correct.
yeah, like we were wanting you to write a song and as well as like feature in it.
You want me to make a song and actually
Yeah.
sing it also, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Because you're like a fab singer and I'm a big fan of yours.
Thank you so much.
Yeah. So like would you be interested?
Yes, but I think we'll have to speak properly on this. I would need more details on that.
Yeah.
Which T-series are you calling from, Bombay, Delhi?
Bombay. So basically I'll just let you know the brief. Like we were wanting a song basically on like the corona and the situation that the pandemic that we are facing.
Okay.
Yeah, so like quarantine, it like you can it can be like a comedy or like a very emotional song. That's totally up to you. And we are like we basically want something that the teenagers would just love.
Okay.
Yeah. So and there's one request, like all the board of directors, like everybody is coming tomorrow. So we would personally want you to come to our office tomorrow.
Come to the office tomorrow. Which office is open tomorrow, Baba?
No, actually, it's just for for us. Like everybody is gonna be coming, so that's why.
Okay. What's your name, you said?
Simran.
Simran.
Yeah. So would you be comfortable in coming tomorrow?
Are you sure I mean, I'm really sorry for this, but this is sounding like a very random thing happening because under whom are you working in T-Series of America?
Sorry.
Who is heading you in T-Series?
No, I'm the head.
You're the head in T-Series.
Yeah.
I'm really sorry, Simran, if this is a way you calling and trying to crack how to talk, but then this is not really happening because I know T-Series really well. I know people in T-Series. So, not really happening.
I'm so sorry if this is like sounding bad or weird.
Do you want to tell the truth?
Sorry.
Do you want to tell the truth?
It's a prank, Suyash Bhaiya, Maishani.
Very funny.
You're there on my YouTube channel.
Are you serious?
Yes. You're there on my YouTube channel. You've been pranked and I was shit scared to call you because I knew मैं पकड़ी जाऊंगी और ये मेरा fan है.
Luckily, I was in a very good mood. I'm telling you, okay, so I know T-Series really well. Okay? I know those people like really well.
मुझे पता था मैं फेल होने वाली हूँ. मैं पहले फिंगर क्रॉस करके बैठी थी. मैंने बोला था कि आई शुड नॉट बी कॉलिंग यू. मैं बहुत मेरे को मार पड़ेगी.
You should have planned it properly. None of the offices are working. I was talking to T-Series.
अरे I passed 4 callers. I called 4 people and I passed the prank. You are the first person जो मेरा prank fail कर दिया.
Because I know those people really well.
Yeah. So now I am feeling bad.
Your hello only is like, hey? You're not from T-Series. How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Very good, Baba. What's happening?
I'm just shooting a video for YouTube. I was like, let's make the quarantine so productive. Would you like to say something to my YouTube audience?
I would like to tell them that you are a very, very sweet girl and I've worked with you and I'm so glad you called. It's very random, but I'm really glad to hear it. And,
So now I'm gonna be calling Isha Singh. So I don't know how this is gonna end up. I really hope कि ये fail ना हो जैसे सुयश भैया के साथ हुआ. Because these two people are like really good मेरे को पकड़ने में बहुत मतलब माहिर है ये दोनों. तो आई होप कि ऐसा ना हो और ईशा दीदी प्रैंक हो जाए मुझसे. आई जस्ट होप. और उनका मूड बस खराब ना हो, वरना मैं तो गई. सो लेट्स सी व्हाट हैपेंस. और वो उठाए बस यार फोन बस. आई स्पीकिंग विद ईशा सिंह.
Yes, who's that?
हाय, दिस इज अंजलि फ्रॉम टी सीरीज. Isha, are you free? Can we have a talk for a few minutes?
Yeah, definitely.
Hi. Yeah, so I've called you regarding a music video.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, so it's basically like on the corona thing that's going on.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, so it's kind of a love story, like a very cute love story of like two people who are not able to meet due to corona.
Mm-hmm.
And it's gonna be featuring you with Diljit Dosanjh.
Oh, lovely, lovely, that's lovely.
Yeah, so he's gonna be the singer as well as he's gonna be there with you.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, so would you
So when
be
you,
would you be interested?
yeah, I would love to do that.
Cool. So there's this one request that I would want. Can you come tomorrow to our office?
Darling, I'm not in Mumbai, I'm in Bhopal.
Oh shit, sorry. So like after the lockdown you'd be able to come, right?
Yeah, after the lockdown gets over, the flight starts, so I'll be back.
Okay. Basically so I would actually so okay, I'll video call you tomorrow. Is that fine?
Yeah, that's completely fine. Just tell me the time by tonight.
Yeah, I'll tell you the timing. So it's gonna be like everybody's coming tomorrow to the office. Excuse me. Yeah, everybody's coming tomorrow to the office, and it's not like we are not going to be shooting, but it's just we just want
Just a
everybody
music
to.
thing.
Yeah.
Okay.
So like before you video call, there's a little like thing that we have been told to tell everybody. You'll have to take a shower and do a puja, and then
I want to do what? Sorry, I didn't get you.
like before we video call, you'll have to take a shower and like do puja, and then we can have a video call.
Oh, okay. I'll do that. Don't worry.
Cool.
Okay. What happened? Hello?
Hi Isha Didi, this is Aishani. You've been pranked. You're there on my YouTube channel.
I'm so silly. I get pranked every other day.
I called Suyash Bhaiya right now, and it was a fail. He caught me, and I thought you caught me, and he
I was about to. I had something fishy, but I said, "चलो मैं बात करती हूँ."
उन्होंने मुझे पकड़ लिया और मुझे बहुत डांट भी पड़ी. मुझे लगा आपसे भी पड़ेगी, बट नहीं, इट वाज अ पास.
Amazing!
Would you like to say something to my YouTube audience?
Yeah, guys, keep having fun like how Aishani is doing. Have fun, smile. It's okay.
And don't get pranked.
Don't get. No, it's okay to get pranked.
It's okay.
When
Yeah.
it's not harmful.
So I'm gonna be ending this video right now, right here. And obviously आप लोग वंडर कर रहे होंगे बैकग्राउंड चेंज हो गया है, कपड़े चेंज हो गए. दैट्स बिकॉज मेरे फ़ोन की बैटरी लो हो गई थी, तो आई हैड टू पुट इट ऑन चार्ज, एंड सो आई वॉज नॉट एबल टू शूट द लास्ट पार्ट ऑफ माई वीडियो. सो आई एम डूइंग इट right now. And obviously before I close the video, there's a big thank you and a big hug that I want to give to everybody that I called. You guys are really amazing, and really thank you कि आप लोग you all didn't get offended with the prank that I did, and this was fun, even shooting and having a talk with them. I hope कि आप लोगों के लिए भी fun था watching, but it's just one small thing that I really want to say is there are a lot of people who would take this in a wrong way, and guys please इसे wrong way में मत लीजिए. We all actors, we are on top of our toes to entertain you guys no matter what. घर पे रह के we try our best to entertain you, but obviously we are not gonna shoot. This was a prank. कोई भी nobody is shooting. There's no studio open. There's nobody who's shooting. एज़ यू ऑल नो. एंड जब लॉकडाउन एंड होगा तभी हम सब शूट करेंगे. बट अभी हम घर पे रह के जितना आपको एंटरटेन कर सकते हैं वी आर डूइंग दैट. सो प्लीज़ इसका कुछ गलत मतलब मत निकालिएगा कि यू नो मैंने जो भी वीडियो में किया इट वॉज जस्ट फॉर फन. सो आई होप इवन यू ऑल टेक इट इन अ फन वे, बिकॉज मैं और मेरे फ्रेंड्स हम सब ने जो किया इट वॉज़ ऑल फॉर फन. तो या दैट्स इट. आई रियली वांटेड टू से कि इसे फ़न में ही लो, इसे मस्ती में ही लीजिए. इसका गलत मतलब मत निकाल लेना प्लीज़. सो yeah, and if you really enjoyed watching my video, then you know what to do. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe to my channel. Much love.